Hello guys, welcome you all to a comparison guide. Today in this video we are going to compare two most famous sedan, Honda City and Hyundai Verna. Honda City is the most famous and the luxurious sedan in this segment, as well as Hyundai Verna is the most powerful and sporty sedan. As whenever we buy a sedan, the first thing that will come in mind is which one should we prefer, Honda City or Hyundai Verna. As both the vehicles are good at their prices, good at their functions, good with their performance, so it is a big confusion between both the vehicles which should be preferred. So please see this video. Let's discuss the prices of both the vehicles. First we'll discuss the prices of Hyundai Verna and then Honda City. Okay, let's go. Let's discuss the weight, dimensions and specifications.
Now you can check the prices of Hyundai Verna in diesel and in petrol. These are the ex-showroom prices. Now you can see the prices of Honda City in diesel and in petrol. Now you can see the length, width, height, wheelbase and ground clearance of both the vehicles, Verna and City. On the left hand it is Verna and on the right hand City. Now talk about specifications. As boot space of Verna is 480 liters and of City is 506 liters. As fuel tank capacity is 45 liters in Verna and 40 liters in City, which is good in Verna but boot space is good in City. And both the vehicles provide safety features like ABS, EBD and hold control and transaction control system. In Verna, one touch down facility is provided to only drivers, but in Honda City it is provided at all four windows, and you can also check more specifications from the given chart. And except these specifications, it also provide. As talking about engine, both the cars have 1.5 liter diesel and petrol engine, and Verna also comes with 1 liter turbo engine. As talk about mileage, both the cars have same mileage of 15, and both the cars have same tire size of R16, and boot space is more larger in the Honda City. And Honda City also comes with some additional features like air control quality, and it also display outside temperature. But in Verna there is one plus point, as they provide ventilated seats in their top model, but City does not provide. But one touch operating system will come in City, that is not provided by the Verna. And Honda City also provide various additional safety features like centrally mounted fuel tank, lane watch camera, transaction control, as well as brake assist and follow me headlamp. As Honda City provides spacious cabin, rear seat, knee room reveals car from a segment above, and a comfortable ride quality, and it is better suited for the Indian roads. And Verna looks aggressive and sporty. It's loaded with features, and ride comfort is brilliant for Indian roads condition. Now let's talk about some advantages and disadvantages of both the cars. Now let's talk about conclusion. According to our research, these are the advantages and disadvantages of both the car. As talking about advantages, Verna is good in build quality and have a punchy diesel engine, and Honda City have a spacious rear seat and it is feature loaded car. But talking about disadvantages, Verna rear seat space is very limited and it doesn't have an inspiring design. As talking about Honda City, it provides noisy diesel engine and its infotainment system is not as much good as it can be, and it is expensive than.
So if we see, both the cars are good at their price segment. It's your choice which suits your price budget, and both the cars are good at their function and at their performance. Both cars have their own pros and cons. Now let's talk about the colors that are come in that car. As talking about Verna, it provides 6 different colors:
So guys,
Fairy
this is
Red,
small
Typhoon
comparison
Silver,
between the
Phantom
Honda
Black,
City and
Starry
Hyundai
Night,
Verna,
Titan
and
Grey, and
lots
Polar
of
White. Now
specifications,
talking about
colors,
Honda City, it comes in 5
dimensions,
different colors: Platinum,
and
White
price
Pearl,
of
Radiant Red
both the
Metallic,
cars.
Lunar Silver
This is the
Metallic,
actual
Modern
price
Steel
in
Grey,
the video.
and Golden Brown
And if you
Metallic.
like our video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel to get more comparison videos to you at the first. Thank you.